Welcome students, we are going to study the structure of enzymes. What are enzymes? Enzymes are soluble colloidal organic biomolecules produced within an organism which are capable of catalyzing a specific reaction. This is the proper definition of enzymes. Where they are present? Enzymes are usually present or located in various distinct cell organelles like cytoplasm, mitochondria. As we all know this, they play a vital role in metabolic pathways. All enzymes are specific in their action because something is present in the structure of enzyme, so they can function properly for every enzyme catalyzed reaction. That's why it is necessary to study the structure of enzyme. Let's see the relation between enzyme and substrate. Enzymes are usually larger than their substrate. They react with substrate for the formation of the product. What is active site? Active site is the region of an enzyme where substrate molecule will bind in a chemical reaction. This active site consists of amino acid residues that forms temporary bonds with substrate, which is called as binding site, and amino acid that catalyze a reaction of that substrate, it's called as catalytic site of an enzyme. Remember students, the structure of enzyme determines its function. As we all know that mostly all enzymes are proteins, but all proteins are not enzymes, and these proteins are made up of amino acids. Its size range from 62 amino acid residues to over 2500 amino acid residues for different types of enzymes. Mainly the shape of enzymes is globular. See, enzymes have these four levels of structure, namely primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure and quaternary structure of enzyme. Primary structure is linear sequence of amino acid which is connected by peptide bonds. Secondary structure contain hydrogen bonding that occurs between the protein. Due to this, they shape into two types as alpha helix and beta pleated sheet. And one important thing is hydrogen bonding. These hydrogen bonds stabilize the structure of protein. You can see this alpha helix and beta pleated sheet form because of hydrogen bonding between carbonyl and amino groups in peptide backbone. Let's see the tertiary structure. In this structure, complete chain folds into three-dimensional structure which involves the disulfide bond, ionic bond, hydrogen bond as well as hydrophilic interaction also involved in the enzyme structure. Finally, the quaternary structure is formed by the association of protein subunits into a closely packed arrangement. Folding and denaturation, what it means? There are various factors which affect the activity of the enzyme. Temperature is one of them. We should maintain optimum temperature enzyme catalyzed reaction because enzyme structure unfold or denature when heated or exposed to chemical denaturants, and this disruption to the enzyme structure leads to the loss of activity of that enzyme. Thank you.